Hi, I'm Tracy. Come and join me while I make a quick and easy chicken and sweet corn soup. It's a big family favourite of mine. They look forward to it every time I make it.
In my quick and easy chicken and sweet corn soup, I have 170 grams of finely shredded roast chicken. You can either purchase it from the shop or make your own chicken, roast it up and then dice it up. Then I have 120 grams of spring onions. Finely slice your spring onion as so. I have 800 grams of cream corn. Once again, you can either buy it in a tin or make your own. I have 500 ml of chicken stock. I have 10 grams of minced garlic, 20 ml of soy sauce and pepper. To start with, turn on your gas or electricity. While your pan's starting to heat up, you could always add a little bit of oil. And now I add the 120 grams of spring onions. Just give the spring onions a bit of a stir around. Make sure they're not sticking to the base of the pan. Now add your 10 grams of garlic. Stir that through. Now I place in the 170 grams of roasted chicken that's been shredded or diced up. Give it a stir through. The smell of it is awesome. Now you add your 800 grams of cream corn. Stir it through. Add your 500 ml of chicken stock. Once that's stirred through, just bring it to a light simmer so it will bring out all the natural flavours. As you can see, it's starting to simmer nicely. The bubbles are coming up. Give it a quick stir. Add in some pepper to taste. Now that the pepper's been stirred through, add in your 20 ml of soy sauce. Mix it through. If you want it thicker than this, you could make up a corn flour mixture and thicken it slightly, just corn flour and water, but I prefer it at this consistency. Let it heat through for a couple of minutes and then it's done.